Hi everyone, it's Donna. I have a project for you that I absolutely love, and it's from the Elegance collection from Couture Creations, and it's gorgeous. That's all I can say. It's gorgeous. Now I haven't got much left. I've got this paper is 6.5 by 6.5 inch papers, 24 pattern papers, 8 double-sided designs. Okay, and that's all I've got left. There's not much at all. I've been saving this piece up. There's 2 of these, but I've used one. And I'm saving this piece up here just for something extra special. I haven't decided what yet, but I absolutely love it. It's got the gold, if you can see it, beautiful. And what I love about these, they're nice thick cardstock. Each page is double-sided, but it's thick, so you can actually do quite a few designs with this that's won't buckle on you, which is what I absolutely love. I'm also going to be using a quick dry adhesive, which is one of my favorites. I do have the tacky glue, which is brilliant as well, by the way, and I have that in this tiny little bottle. Absolutely love it. Think it's brilliant. What I like about them so much, to be honest, is they don't buckle your paper. And I have to be honest, that for me is a huge bonus. I've also used this stamp set. It comes with a dies, but I've simply used some stamps, and I've left the dies out today. Okay, and I've used Just For You, I think it was, and Love and Hugs. It is such an elegant stamp, so I'm quite happy with that. I've used some double-sided tape on one of these, on this piece here. We're also from this Couture Creations, and this is the paper from the Elegance collection. Now I have a die, and it cuts all this out, and I thought, you know, it's a toolbox, by the way, and I thought, well, I have a toolbox in my craft room, so why can't I make one of these for me, or from a crafter friend of mine, who happens to have a toolbox as well. So why can I not make that? Okay. Now this piece here at the front, I've already done the cover, so that's a matte, and I've used a piece from the Elegance collection. I'm going to put that along there as my first mat. Now, just a little hint. I need these little tools to go under that. So, all I've done is got a ruler, and I've simply gone very gently on both of these pieces. Okay, because they're my front pieces. They do have a bend in them, but you won't see that at all. And it just makes these tools fit in easier. That's all. The tools that I have, and I actually do have in my studio, by the way, a little hammer, and as you can see, I've actually cut it out 3 times. But I cut it 3 times. I did it once in a white, then I did it in the gold, and then I've used our beautiful pattern papers to do the handles, and it's very, very sturdy, may I say. Okay, that's our craft knife, our hammer, a little wrench, a pair of pliers, which are the things that I use in this in this craft room, and of course, one of them. So, I have to be honest, I think the tool's absolutely gorgeous. This paper is absolutely divine, okay? So, let's get together and let's make it, shall we? Okay, let me see. Now, because I'm going to put the tools in here, I'm only going to do a line like this, okay? So the tools can fit in the top. Now, I'm not going to glue it. I think I will put, will I put double-sided tape on it? I think I will. Again, this is from Couture Creations. It's only the smaller one, but I think I will add this actually. It doesn't matter if it's crooked. It doesn't faze me out at all. And I can go there. And that can go there. I need them to sit out there really. So I might do another row of this. Yeah, that will do nicely. And forgive my sniffling. To be honest, I have hay fever. It doesn't leave me these days. It sticks around. I've had it for a couple of weeks now, and no matter what I take, it has not worked. It really has not. So forgive my sniffling. I'm just making sure you're in focus here. It's pointless if I do a video and you have no idea what I'm doing because I'm not in focus. Oh my goodness, give me my tweezers. And just fold that back in on itself. Okay, let's see. I'm actually made to fold that. Let me see. I might take that to the edge. Take it to the edge. Put that down. There we go. Okay. I put my next lot on, and this one I can use the glue because oh gosh, yes, I got myself worried because I thought I did that upside down. And helps if I open it. I do that on every time I do a video. I forget to undo the glue. It's so easy to create cards these days. I can remember back when I first started many moons ago. Yeah, that way. Many moons ago, I can remember having to cut out every single thing. There was no dies, it was measurements, and it was like hit and miss, and if you measured wrong, you had to start again. With dies these days, are just like they take all that away. You don't have to do it. It's just amazing. I've stamped just for you on there with that little stamp set I showed you. I'll take this paper off here. I'm going to put that on the front. Should I put some leaves under it? Let me just have a look. I've got some leaves here. This is the ephemera set that comes with the collection of the Elegance papers. I've used one of these. These are the frames that I've used on the front there. Oh, this piece is one from that set. And then we have this beautiful lots of little leaves and flowers and buckets. So I'm just wondering if I use some leaves underneath this, would that make it any good? Just to give it a little bit of not so bland look. I'm not saying that the paper's bland, but I think just a little bit of dimension maybe. I've got some papers here. Let's have a look, shall we? think it'd be nice to have just some leaves maybe poking out. I need a green ink. Just to ink them in, just to keep that white away. I don't really like things like this that have white edges. I mean, it doesn't bother some people, but for myself, yeah, it bothers me. Let me see. I'm actually going to see if I can put that piece of paper back on that there. Just for the time being. I'm going to try to figure out maybe a couple of these leaves there. Yeah, I think so. I think that's the way to go. I really do. Trial and error. That's what it's about. Now, look, this glue is, you only need the minimal. Please, please be careful. You don't need tons of glue. They use tons of glue. Not everybody, but some people. They use tons of glue, and then what happens is that, I've got some double-sided tape there, and what happens is that the glue goes everywhere. It's a nightmare to clean up. It really is. So with this glue, it doesn't buckle your papers. That's why I love it so much. I have emphasized that before. I need to go down. I'm sorry, I'm just going to bring it out of focus. I can't actually see where I'm placing that because the camera's in the way. There. Yeah, I like that. I like that there. And I'll show you the reason why I like that there. Because I have these little screws that I've also done in 3 layers. And they will go there. So I might do that now. I might use this glue actually. Oh, so where is it? But I have got it. Okay. Too much. So I'll put that on there. And that one. Oh, goodness me. Thinking it's across. There we go. So we've got 2 screws there. Do I have a little bit of this here? And I just want to clean that up a little bit. Do it while it's wet and you don't normally have a hassle. How do we go? Just for you, just that. Oh. Yeah, okay, let's put these in. Again, I love these handles. I actually have a hammer that has a gold on here, and it actually has patterned on here. So I do actually have a hammer like that. Now I'll just push that in there. Oh, maybe I've done that too far up. Let me have a look. Where is my pick? I have a pick here. I'll just clean that out a little bit. And let's go again, shall we? Oh, yeah, lovely. I love these flowers. They are so darn cute, aren't they? They are so darn cute. And I love the Stanley knife. Where shall I put the Stanley knife? Let me see. Where shall I put the Stanley knife? I think I might switch that over. Them two look too much alike. So I might put that with the hammer. I might put that there. And I might put my Stanley knife in here. How's that? I'll put these away over here. Back in my collection. Knock the bottle over. Knock the pick over. Is there anything else I want to use? What about something like this? I just don't want to overdo it. I'm not one of them people to try to overdo things. I just, no. What about over here? To follow through with the flowers. Nope. 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 Let me see. Something like this there, maybe? Nope. Nope. Don't like any of that. Do not like any of that. Okay. Still think it needs something there, though. What do I have here? Let me have a look. Do I have a little butterfly, perhaps? I've got a little butterfly punch. Save me getting all my dies out. If I can find a little butterfly punch. Sorry guys, I just thought it might have been enough, but I think I need just that something else. I'm looking in my box of punches, which is a big box, by the way. Oh my goodness, my apologies. No, can't find it. So what can I use? I just think it needs something just here. What do you think? Do I have anything else? Just a little butterfly I need. Just a little one. Please be in there. I do cut things and put in here. Let me see. I found the punch. It was right in front of me all the time. I need something with a bit of... No. Tips. Maybe tips of the wings green. No, it has to be the pink. I think it has to be the pink. Okay, let's go here. Okay, just basic butterfly. Let's see. Just do a bit of inking really quickly. I've kept you on here long enough while I was waiting for the punch. or trying to find it and you're waiting for me saying, hurry up, lady, hurry up. You can always forward, people. Always forward. I have no issues with you forwarding. Not sure I even need that there. I think I could do one there. I think one there maybe. Nah, you know what? I'm not even going to do that. I'm just going to leave it for the time being because you know what? I'll have to think about it. Now, I think that's cute as. Now, inside of it, I've already cut out my mats. This is what the actual stamp looks like. Love and hugs. It has loops on the end. So does this one. I just stamped it without the loops. Okay. And I've used some paper in here on the spines here. And I've just used a mat on this side. Okay. Now, to keep it together, you can do several things. You can put magnets on here and here. You can put magnets. You do need to put the magnets under the paper so it sticks together. You can put Velcro dots if you prefer. I actually have a little bit of this ribbon that I had dyed. And I am just going to use some ribbon. And I'll tell you what else you could do in this. You can make this into a gift card. Oh. My goodness gracious. Did you see that? I completely don't know what I did there. I just went completely. There you go. And you can do a little bow if you should choose.